Hey everyone, my name is Jose Reese here at 5-Star Ford of Dallas. Today we're going to be talking about the nice 2025 F150 Black Widow SR. So as you can see, we start off by a very rare matte finish paint job. A lot of people think that it's PPF, but it's not. It's an actual paint job. As you can see, if you follow through, you have the nice hood scoops as well. And then on the bottom, you actually have a nice setup grille right here coming across. A unique touch about this Black Widow is all these signature badges. As you can see in the front, you have this amazing signature badge right here. And as you follow through on the side, you will have an air vent. It's gonna be right here on the side as well. And then of course the beautiful Black Widow touch. And now we can't forget about what makes this beautiful truck move. 24-inch Boston wheels with 305 Toyo tires wrap around. As we make our way to the rear end of the truck, you're gonna notice custom exhaust from Black Widow, dual tips. Looking at the rear end of the truck, you're gonna notice tailgate spoiler that Black Widow offers. Now let's go ahead and talk about what's under the hood. Of course, you're gonna get the 5.0, but you get a special touch, 3-liter Whipple, making 710 horsepower. Now let's talk about the way that this Black Widow drives. We're gonna go ahead and take a quick lap around the expressway service road so you can actually hear the exhaust system and of course the nice Whipple supercharger on it. Just out the back, acceleration is just amazing, right? That 10-speed helps a lot on this trucks. Man, I can't even talk. It just, that sound is just amazing. We're gonna do a quick acceleration just so you can actually see and hear the nice Whipple and exhaust system. Now that puts a smile on my face. Overall, the ride quality is very nice. It is the same suspension that comes on the Shelby trucks, Ridetech. So if you want to go to the track, you can, or if you just want to go to the golf course, man, you can take this bad boy out there.